is the first time I've something really bad. Nag-train tapos sa career 10th day. 90 pesos. Magkano? Ang ganda naman dito. Eh. I'm just looking for a coffee shop. Most likely, I'm not gonna be able to find one because the shops here, they open very late, which is what I noticed in most of the countries that I've been to. Parang yung Pilipinas lang talaga nag-open ng napakaaga. Like may mall hours, business hours talaga tayo na 9 or 10 a.m. Ang init! Grabe. Hindi na pang walking hours to. 9 o'clock ang init. Lesson learned, huwag kayong pupunta ng East Asia. June, July, August, September. Grabing init. Iba yung vibe talaga ng East Asian countries when it's winter, spring, autumn, compared to summer. Summer, tagaktak. It's the lake. There's a duck. Hello. Quack, 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 quack. Hello. Alvin and the Chipmunks. Kompleto sila. Alvin. Sino nga yun? Si Theodore, tsaka si... Sino nga? Nalimutan ko na. Hello, Alvin. Mukha ka naman. Pilay ka na pala. Meow. Hi, I'm back. So, I stopped vlogging after the first few clips na nakita nyo because something really bad happened, which is nasira yung camera ko. Hindi siya entirely nasira or like na-damage na. You get what I mean? But it suddenly stopped transferring or exporting the videos to my phone because nakakonect siya sa phone ko. May app na ginagamit specifically for exporting the videos, and then it stopped working. I was freaking out kasi sa Thailand ko to binili and wala na ako sa Thailand ngayon. And dinala ko siya sa mall dito. They only spoke Chinese. It was so hard to communicate, but still, the lady was very sweet. She tried her best na maayos yung camera. I'm just getting ready for dinner. And wala naman akong gagawin tonight. Punta lang ako ng night market. At saka bibili ako ng vitamin C. The weather, kanina kita nyo sa first few clips in the morning. It was so hot. And now, it's raining so hard. Am I the only one na maraming abubot? Like this one, I have a foot deodorant that I just spray. May Elefanti, Lucky Charm. Ano ba nakalimutan ko? Payong. Okay. Bye, let's go. Let's have dinner. Before I leave, I want to do a quick room tour. Straightforward lang. Desk, bed. I have a window here, which is not so typical. Kasi most of the hotels here ay walang window. And I have a tub. This is just the outfit. Okay, let's go. I'm just gonna explore this area first. Looks familiar, right? Anyway, let's try to eat some pancakes. Hello. Ni hao. This one, what's this flavor?
Peanut sesame.
Peanut and, okay, one peanut and sesame, please. 30, ano lang, 30 NTD lang. May nag-aerobics doon. Pero, wag na tayo doon ng baho. Actually, hindi masarap yung pagkain dito sa Ximending. Magbabus tayo. Ito na yung bus. So, dito sa kanila, pagkasakay mo, kailangan mo itap yung ganito mo. I forgot what you call this. IC card yata to. Ang dami kasi sa Hong Kong, it's called Octopus. In Japan, it's Suica, Pasmo, and Ikoka. Tapos sa Thailand, Rabbit Card. And dito, IC card, Taiwan. So, nakakalito. Pagkasakay mo, kailangan mo itap. Pagkababa mo, kailangan mo ulit itap. 15 NTD yung fare, which is like 25 pesos. Also, kapag bababa ka na, kailangan mong i-press to before yung stop mo para tumigil yung bus. Kasi hindi siya titigil kapag hindi mo pinindot yan. Taipei Main Station. Dali lang naman mag-navigate dito. Basta marunong kayo magbasa talaga ng Google Map. Ayan o, sinusundan ko lang naman yun. This is just a few walk to the market. Kaya ko nang i-rodog to nang walang Google Maps. Before, nilalakad ko lang papunta dito. This is 2 kilometers away from my hotel before. Pero, may mga moments talaga ako na para akong baliw. Sobrang haba na nilalakad ko. And that's fine. It's exercise. Actually, I'm not hungry, but I have to eat. Kasi kapag hindi ako kumain, tuloy-tuloy na to. Can I cross? Okay, I'll cross here. Wait lang, kailangan ko tumakbo. Fuck. 5 seconds. Oh my God. Ito yung itsura ng night market. It's so stinky. Kasi naaamoy ko yung stinky tofu. Baho. Hindi ko alam kung ako lang ba or napansin ko na parang nagmahal yung Taiwan. Or hindi ko alam eh. Medyo same pa rin naman yung prices. Pero before, especially during the first time that I was here, parang murang-mura ako. So maybe because the first time I was here, hindi ako nagko-convert. Especially in the night market. Usually, the stuff that they're selling is 100 NTD. 100 Taiwan dollar. Which is almost 180 pesos. Pero, mukha siyang mura, diba? 100 lang. Pero kapag in-add mo yun, hindi lang naman isa kakainin mo sa night market. Siguro mga 3 or 4 bago ka mabusog. So, pag kinompute mo yun, para rin siyang 600. Just feels like you ate a whole complete meal sa restaurant. Which before, hindi ko naman inisip yung ganon. Kasi nakakailan na kong kain dati. I would visit one night market. And I did that for, I think, 7 days. Kaya baboy na baboy talaga ako that time. Which ayoko na ulitin. Another example, sa Watsons. So, bumili ako ng napkin. This one is 120. Pero panggabi na napkin to. Magkano yun? 120 times 2. Almost 240. So, parang mga 220, let's say. Diba? Eh, magkano ng napkin sa Pilipinas? 30 pesos lang, dahil isang pack na yun. Alam niyo, ang dami na sa inyo nagsasabi na sa YouTube na ako mag-post ng videos para full vlogs na talaga. You know, mga 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Because when I do it on TikTok, sobrang bitin. Even me, personally, gusto ko YouTube. YouTube. Wow. Parang di ako yun. But, you know, mas marami kasing audience sa TikTok. And it's hard to get followers on YouTube. Even the monetization is hard there. So, ayun, mas nagti-TikTok ako lately. But I know deep in my heart, wow, I'm feeling like gusto ko YouTube because I'm passionate with, you know, talking and sharing information. But when I do it on TikTok, everything is limited. Lahat. Parang sa 2-minute videos, parang 5 seconds lang kinukuha ko, which is sayang yung clips, right? Hindi ko napapakita yung whole experience. Hingal naman akong aga-aga. Hingal na yung lola nyo. So now, okay, let's go back to YouTube officially. Going to the gym. Sobrang init. Oh my God. Nag-train ako. Lalakad lang ako sa train station. Ibang level of connection din kasi yung mabibuild mo with your audience and the creator, me. Kapag sa YouTube ka nagpo-post, kasi mas makikilala mo sila. Kasi nga, mas mahaba yung videos. And mas lumalabas yung personality. Unlike TikTok or Instagram, you only see a facade. You only see them from a surface. That's why it's so easy for us to judge people. Kasi nga,
Judge lang natin yung nakikita natin. Yung napaka-konting information na nakikita natin. Ang init! So, we're in our 10th day. 10th day of our travel. Ito na yung mga times. Ay, po, okay. Mali yung pinap ko. I was saying, this is officially our 10th day of travel. And ito yung mga times na manginginig ka na sa gastos. Kukomputin mo na. Though nagko-compute naman ako everyday. That's because of my OCD. Nagko-compute ako everyday ng gastos. I don't know if that's a thing for other people. Well, kung unlimited yung pera nyo, go. Eh di wag kayong mag-compute. Ako nagko-compute ako. But normally when I travel, I spend 3,000 per day for food, transportation, and tours. Pero kapag kasama yung hotel, per day, everything, usually 5,000 to 6,000 pesos. Depende kung gaano kamahal yung hotel. Ay, bastos. Yung key fob nyo, if member kayo sa Pilipinas, gagana din yan dito sa ibang bansa. Kahit sa ang branches sa ibang bansa. I just finished with gym and now we're gonna eat. What time is it now? 11 a.m. And this is gonna be my brunch. I usually eat brunch. Hindi ako kumakain ng agahan. Kasi dagdag calories lang. Parang calorie deficit na rin. Intermittent fasting at the same time. So let's cross. Grabe yung init. Ulit-ulit ako, no? Na mainit. May payong naman ako kaso gusto ko makita niyo yung view when I'm vlogging. Gusto ko makita niyo yung background. We're gonna go to a restaurant called Formosa Chang. Kasi fun fact, pangalan ng Taiwan dati is Formosa. And then, now it's also called the Republic of China. So pag may marinig kay Republic of China, that's not China. That's not mainland China. It's Taiwan. Like food videos, food vlogs. Kasi picky eater ako. Hindi ako maarte na, ayoko kumain yan kapag hindi siya mamahalin or blah blah blah. Well, kumakain ako ng street food sa Carriedo. But, kapag hindi ko kilala yung pagkain, hindi ko siya kayang kainin. Ewan ko. So, yung mga kilala ko lang, yun lang kakainin ko. Not unless someone makes me try it. Eto na ba yun? Not open pa daw. Ano ba yan? Okay, hanap tayo ng iba. Wala pa, sarado pa. Ba yan? Pero ito, tong street na to, maganda to kapag gabi. Kasi may night market sa may dulo na ito, banda. Tsaka maganda yung mga ilaw. Taipei 101. Anyway, hanapin na natin yung gusto kong kainin. May laman siya sa loob, parang siopaw. Ito, mukhang meron dito sa mga ganyan. Okay, may nahanap ako. So, tinranslate ko siya sa Google. Ito siya. This one. Okay, let's go in. Hello. Ito na siya, guys. Kapag talaga naka-Chinese characters, lahat ng menu, ibig sabihin yun yung masarap, yun yung authentic. So, mas gusto ko yung nagtatranslate kesa yung English menu. Pero helpful din naman yung English menu. There. It's just rice. Tas may toppings. This one is just 90 pesos. When I travel, hindi ako masyado kumakain sa fast food at saka sa convenience store. Hindi because of the authenticity of the food. It's more about the price point. Minsan mas mahal yung sa convenience store and sa fast food kaysa sa local food. Hindi minsan, madalas. Kanina nung dumaan ako sa McDo, nakita ko yung isang burger na 100 Taiwan dollar. Isang burger na pang breakfast. So, magkano yun? 160. Yun pa lang. Hindi ko ma-explain yung lasa na ito. Parang siyang soy sauce na mamantika na may mga bits ng taba-taba ng pork. Na matamis. May hint siya ng pagka-adobo, pero kapag maraming brown sugar na adobo, ganun yung lasa niya. Taipei 101. Daanan natin tong coffee shop dito. Still 100. So as usual, matabang na naman. Hindi ko rin alam ko bakit hindi nila makuha yung timplang matamis. Well, siguro iba-iba lang talaga ng preference. Pilipinas kasi sobrang tamis ng mga kape, di ba? Dito ang tatabang. And I told the girl, the barista, sabi ko, gusto ko sana ng matamis. Tinanong ko kung matamis ba to. Well, ganun ako lagi. Tinatanong ko if sweet. Sabi niya, hindi daw siya sure. Pero parang oo naman. Pero kung matabangan pa daw ako, pwede naman daw mag-add. Eh kaso, nahiya na ako pumunta dun. So, tiis-tiis na lang.